Imagine you deploy an AI agent to handle customer refunds, right? And it suddenly decides on its own to issue $1 million in credits in 3 seconds.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that is a terrifying scenario for any developer.
It really is. How do you actually catch that before the money is just, well, gone? I'm currently browsing the AIagentstore.ai website page, our usual spot for keeping up with the industry. And today's mission for you is analyzing an observability tool designed to solve exactly this problem.
Right. It's called Traccia.
Exactly. And interestingly, its profile lists an autonomy level of just 30%. So, okay, let's unpack this. If Traccia isn't the digital brain making the big open-ended decisions, what is its actual role here?
Well, it's sitting firmly in the passenger seat. Basically, Traccia is a closed-source observability and governance platform. It's built specifically for production AI agents.
Oh, I see.
And importantly, it's OpenTelemetry-native.
Wait, let me pause you there. OpenTelemetry-native, that means it plugs directly into the standard monitoring dashboards that DevOps teams are already using, right?
Precisely. Yeah, they don't have to learn an entirely new ecosystem just to watch their AI. Monitoring an agent isn't like monitoring traditional deterministic software.
Right, because you aren't just looking for a broken link or a server crash.
Spot on. AI is non-deterministic. I mean, it invents its own logic on the fly. So Traccia feeds that dynamic agent data right into the systems your team already knows.
So to use an analogy, Traccia isn't the AI driver navigating the open road. It's more like the car's diagnostic dashboard, the dash cam recording the trip, and maybe the taximeter all rolled into one.
That analogy works beautifully for the observability side. And what's fascinating here is how it provides a true single pane of glass for all of this.
So you get everything in one view.
Exactly. You aren't just tracking basic metrics. You're mapping out complex execution DAGs, directed at cyclographs.
Okay, so you get to see the exact branching paths the AI is taking.
Yes, right alongside token usage, latency, and your costs.
Okay, I see the value in mapping out logic paths and tracking tokens for the budget. But I want to push back a bit on the security aspect here.
Sure, go ahead.
Visibility doesn't actually stop a rogue agent. Like, if that customer service AI decides to hallucinate or break regulations, just watching it happen on a dashboard isn't really enough, is it? We have to be able to stop it.
You're absolutely right. Which brings us to the governance side. This is arguably its most critical function. Traccia doesn't just passively watch.
So it can actually intervene.
Yes, it provides active runtime policy enforcement. To build on your car analogy, it's not just the dash cam. It's like the speed governor on a commercial truck.
Ah, get it. So if the AI tries to violate a compliance rule, Traccia physically cuts the throttle.
Exactly. Under the hood, it intercepts those executions at runtime. If an agent tries to output something outside the defined guardrails, Traccia just blocks the action entirely.
Oh, wow. That is huge for enterprise deployment.
It is. And even more importantly for enterprises, it collects immutable execution evidence. This is specifically designed for strict regulations like the EU AI Act.
Right, because compliance officers and DevOps engineers need those AI systems to generate proof. They have to be audit-ready and legally safe to operate.
Exactly. You need a paper trail.
So what does this all mean for you if you're building or managing AI workflows today?
Ultimately, it means the days of deploy and pray are completely over. You absolutely need active guardrails.
And the barrier to entry isn't too crazy, right?
Not at all. Traccia uses a really accessible freemium pricing model. It starts with a free hobby tier.
So you can instrument your agents and test these governors before you ever need to scale up to a paid plan. That is super practical.
It really is. But, this raises an important question.
Oh, what's that?
If we already need dedicated, complex oversight tools just to supervise our current AI agents, how will we monitor these governance systems themselves when AI architectures become too vast for human comprehension?
Wow. A little monitoring inception for you to chew on today. If you want to check out this tool and explore it for yourself, just head over to the link aiagentstore.ai. Thank you so much for rating the podcast, and we'll catch you next time.